Hello Internet family, Dan from DansTube.TV, and this is my 6th time trying to film this bloody video, so let's get into it. The announcement of the ThiEYE T5 Edge action camera. Who won this? We had entries on YouTube, Facebook and Instagram. It was an epic giveaway, and we have the announcement. There were over 200 comments on Instagram, Facebook and YouTube combined. There were some amazing heartfelt comments. A lot of effort was put in by everyone, so honestly thank you for that. It was amazing to read all of these comments. I had to choose the one winner though, and the winner is Abel. He is amazing. He's a 16-year-old photographer. He was super engaged with the channel. He shared it with his friends. He's been watching for ages now. He's just really great and he's got a passion for photography. So I thought this would be a great camera to send through to him. I think he could genuinely benefit from this. I will have his comment up here somewhere. I don't know which comment it will be, but it will be, you know, somewhere around here. I do want to thank everyone though. I will have more giveaways. Please do not be disheartened. I just really enjoy doing these, and Abel is definitely going to love this action camera. So thank you everyone, and sorry that I can't do more giveaways more frequently. But while I have you here, I actually have a new merch line, and it's not just the DansTube merch. I actually have Eye in the Sky, a drone-inspired clothing line. I'll have the link in the description below. It's an awesome graphic. I have one design right now. I have it on a jumper and 2 shirts. I have a pocket design, I have the big design on a t-shirt, and then a pocket design on the jumper. And I'll have more merch every month. I think I'm going to be releasing a new one. I have 4 new designs coming very soon. Really exciting merch, and check it out below. Anyway, more giveaways coming very soon. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to have a splendid day, and peace out.